In today's video, I'll teach you how to log in Discord with Gmail account. First of all, launch open any browser of your choice. You can see over here I've opened Google Chrome. Now click on the search bar and type in discord.com. Press enter. After you do that, you'll be led to the official website of Discord. Initially, you'll be led to this kind of interface. So what you have to do is click on the login option that you can see at the top right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the login interface of Discord. From here, you'll be able to log in to your account. You'll easily be able to log in with the Gmail. For that, what you have to do is click on this field, email or phone number. Now provide your email over here. Likewise, click on the field of password and enter the password. If you have forgotten your password, click on this option, forget your password, and you'll be able to recover it. Now after you enter all these informations, click on this option, login, that you can see on the screen. Now you can see over here, you'll easily be logged in with your Gmail account on Discord. So that is how you log in Discord with Gmail account. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.